Here are 9 places to look for a topic for your master's thesis. Number 1, professional interests. The first place to look for a topic for your master's thesis is your own professional interests. Consider what excites and energizes you in your profession. Let's say you are a psychologist. You can ask yourself, what are the most frequent challenges my clients face? And what are the main interventions that are provided to such clients? Let's say the majority of your patients struggle with addiction and the most frequent intervention provided is cognitive behavioral therapy. In this case, your master's thesis topic can be evaluating the efficacy of cognitive behavioral therapy among substance abuse patients. Number 2, fellow students, professional colleagues, and faculty members. The second place to look for a master's thesis topic is from fellow students, professional colleagues at work, or faculty members in your school. Ask for advice from your fellow students, your professional colleagues at work, and faculty members, including your instructors and supervisor. These are very good resources that can give you an idea of a master's thesis topic that you can pursue. Your supervisor or instructors can give you specific topics that they think are interesting to research on. Number 3, librarian. The third place to look for a master's thesis topic is from your librarian. When is the last time you consulted your librarian in your college? Librarians can be important sources in choosing a topic for a master's thesis. Ask your librarian to help you run a database search on some of your topics of interest. You just need to come up with keywords and phrases to initiate the search. The results of the search can help you discover new and interesting topics that you can choose for your master's thesis. Number 4, professional journals in your field. The fourth place to look for a master's thesis topic is from professional journals in your field. Professional journals can help you find what can be called as hot or trending topics in your specific discipline. For example, let's say you are in computer science discipline. One of the hottest topics in this discipline at the moment is artificial intelligence. Number 5, previous theses and dissertations.